What does £3,500 worth of performance upgrades look like on a JCW? Well, behind me is exactly that. So we've got a JCW Mini in at the moment, which Sam's busy working away on because it's going to be a very long day for us. So if you're hearing a background noise, Sam's cracking on behind us. But let's go through what £3,500 worth of upgrades looks like. And before I start, £3,500 is a lot of money. This is in the region of. It's a little bit different here and there just on the pricing, but for the most part, that's what you're getting with what's set out on the bench here. And what might be the best upgrade depends on the person. So you at home might be thinking, well, I value a really high-end set of coilovers, which will set you back that £3,500 in one go. But however, this customer's spread it out over a handful of parts here. Let's dive in and talk about these bits. So to start off with, we've got some MMR parts here, Racing. I believe they're actually in the process of changing their names. It might be MMX shortly. But so we've got a set of 3 body braces, which are the 3 gloss black billet pieces at the back here. Look amazing. I really like the look of these parts. Will add a nice amount of chassis stiffness. Club that together with the Ultra Racing strut brace at the top there, you've got yourself a nice stiff chassis. It's going to improve performance and overall handling aspects. We've then got some boost pipes, again by MMR, followed by this chunky great big Wagner tuning intercooler. Yeah, this one's going to be a fairly impactful upgrade. Not only is it going to keep your intake temps down, it's going to help with performance more than anything else. So moving on, as we work down the list here, we've got a hard pipe by Forge Motorsports, and that effectively gets rid of the resonator, and that resonator effectively keeps the noise level down. So replacing that is going to make a good sound improvement. Couple that with the Armour Speed intake, which is this glorious piece of carbon fibre next to us. So again, that's going to help the improvement. It's going to make it breathe better. And well, any engine bay needs to be finished off with a set of Downstar billet aluminium or titanium. They do both. Some beauty washers and dress up nuts here. So that's going to finish the engine bay. The customer also is going for a carbon engine cover as well. That currently we're out of stock on. So to get these parts on the car, that's what we're going to do to start off with, and there'll be an engine brace at the end. So we're going to install this one because it's a long day of work and Sam needs to concentrate. We're not going to do any filming of the installation. I will see if I can get a midway shot with the bumper off so you can see this chunky piece installed, surrounded by some of the upgraded boost pipes. So we're going to get our head down and get these installed. Once it's all on, if we get some time, I'll talk you through the products once on the car, just so you can see what it looks like. This engine bay is going to look amazing. So stay tuned till the end. Let's see what this thing looks like. All installed. It's going to look great. It's going to sound great too. So the intercooler and boost pipes are now on, as you can see with the sea of parts on the floor here, all the old bits that have come off. I thought this was a good opportunity to, while the front bumper's off, give you a little bit of a talk through the parts. So old intercooler and boost pipes there on the floor. Tim's going to take a little bit of footage of the boost pipes and also body braces underneath that have been installed, so the B-roll can be wound in. But let's have a little look at this Wagner tuning intercooler. This is the main party piece here at the front. Fitment is amazing. It's a really nice part. Everything's effectively OEM fitment. There's no need to trim anything. Only thing to note is there is a pipe here, which is the difference between the manual and automatic. So that just needs to be buttoned up here on the right hand side, just because it lifts the position up slightly. So we're pretty much done all at the front end. So all we need to do is get the front bumper reassembled back on the car. We can drop it down and do some engine based stuff. So I'll let Sam crack onto this because we've still got a lot to do and we're running out of time in the day. So we'll get on with that, and as I say, if we get an opportunity to, I'll show you the engine bay, which is going to look glorious. See you guys shortly. So that wraps things up here. So although it's been a very long day, and obviously you've seen the front end of the car off, it's all complete. So Sam's literally just doing the finishing touch in there, just making sure everything fits properly before it goes on its way. But that is it, it's all fitted. So we've got at the top the strut brace, Armour Speed intake, then you've got the Downstar bolt kit as well, and not forgetting the Forge, obviously hard pipe here at the top. So car is complete, looks amazing, I can't wait to hear this thing drive down the road as well, with obviously that upgraded intercooler and boost pipes. So this is phase one. So we've got an engine cover to go on this as well, carbon fibre. But this is phase one of a couple phases, so we should see the customer back and maybe could do a bit more in-depth video then. But thank you guys very much for watching. See you next time, and don't forget, like and subscribe. See you soon.